Okay, so navigating from the Steam main page, navigate to library and find your favorite game. For this example, we can use Batman Arkham Asylum. As you can see, all 47 achievements are done. However, if I want to replay this, do the achievements again, I can just right click the game, go to properties, go to updates, and this app ID 35140, depending on the game, depending on the app ID. So this game is 35140, and just to show for reference sake, if I go to another game, go to updates, the reference number is different. So going back, write this down somewhere. You can write this down on a notepad. What you're gonna want to do is hold your Windows key and press R and type in this command here, which is steam semicolon / open / console. It will be put in the description if you want to copy it. Once we've done that, press OK. A new console will open up within Steam, and we want to write reset underscore all underscore stats app ID. In your app ID, paste that app ID game number. So I will paste it in. For me, it's 35140, and take away the brackets. And once you say enter, it will say reset all stats for app 35140. So now if we just simply go to Steam, fully close it, exit out of Steam, go back into Steam, go to our library, go to the game that we reset. So for me, it's Batman Arkham Asylum. And as you can see, achievements unlocked. Out of all 47, I have nothing. So therefore, this game is officially restarted.